Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Basket. In this tutorial, we are going to install Android Studio on your Windows operating system. So let's get started. So to run Android Studio, we need Java to be installed. So firstly, we will download the Java JDK before installing the Android Studio. Open your favorite browser and search for Java JDK. Click on the very first link you get. I will also attach a link in the description, so do check it out. Here you can see Java 17 is the latest version available. So click on Windows and here you will get three installation options. We will go with the second one, that is into 64 installer. Click on the link and then it will start downloading the JDK. After downloading, locate your file, double click on it and then run your executable file. So here it says that welcome to installation wizard for Java SE development kit version 17.0.2. So then click on next. This is the default location where Java JDK will be installed. So if you don't have any good reason to change it, just leave it as default and then click on next. So as you can see, it says that Java SE development kit version 17.0.2 64-bit has been successfully installed. So click on close. Now I'll go to the location where the Java JDK has been installed on my computer. So I'll go to this PC, C drive, then program files, and here you can see the Java folder. So click on it and then you can see the JDK version which we have installed. So double click on it. Here the most important folder is the bin folder. So our next step is to set this bin folder as an environment variable so that we can run all the Java related commands from command prompt. So copy the path up to bin folder, then go to settings. In settings, search for environment variable. Click on the first option you get which says edit the system environment variables. So here go to environment variables and here you have to set the environment variables related to Java. So select path, then press on edit, then again press on new and enter the path which you have copied up to the bin folder. Then press enter and then press OK. So our environment variable is set now. Now we will set Java home environment variable. So click on new and enter the variable name as Java underscore home and the value for the variable will be the path up to the JDK folder. So copy the path up to the JDK folder and paste it in variable value. Then click OK. Again click OK. OK. So our installation of Java JDK has been completed. So just to verify whether Java is installed correctly or not, open command prompt. Type Java version and press enter. So you can see that Java has successfully installed in our system. Now we are ready to install Android Studio. So to install Android Studio, open your browser once again. Search for Android Studio. Click on the very first link which will appear. So now just click on the download button and you will see the terms and conditions. I suggest you to go through this terms and conditions. So I'll just click on the checkbox and download the Android Studio. And once when the executable file is downloaded, just locate your file and run your executable file by double clicking on it. Click on run, and then you can see it says welcome to Android Studio. So just click on next. On this window you need to check both the component. So then click on next. So this will be the default location where your Android Studio will be installed on your operating system. So just leave it as by default. Then click on next. And here also leave it as by default and click on next. Click on install. So our installation is complete. So just click on next button. Just check the checkbox and click on finish. This will launch our Android Studio. Now when you start the Android Studio for first time, this will ask you to import the previous settings. So you can leave it as do not import the settings option and then click on OK. So this is the welcome screen of Android Studio. So just click on next. Here we will choose standard option and then click on next. So here you can choose UI theme. I'll choose the dark one and then click on next. So here you can see this all SDK and Android related files will be downloaded. So I'll click on finish, which will start downloading all the files. Once your installation is completed, click on finish. Then our Android Studio has started on your operating system. From here you can customize the settings of Android Studio and install various plugins from the plugin section. So let's create a new project. I'm going to click on new project option here. And from here you can choose what you want to develop. For now just we will create an empty activity. So select empty activity and click on next. So this will be the name of our application. We will rename it as my first application, my first app. So next is our package name. Then this is the location where our project will be stored. Then next is the language. So we are going to develop this application using Java language. So select Java. Then the next is the minimum SDK. So by default API 21 is selected so that your application will run on approximately 90% of devices. So just click on finish if you are done renaming your project. So for the first time when your project is created, it will take some time to run the Gradle files and other files. So wait until you see the project structure here. So as you can see, our project has been created. We will minimize this window as we do not need it. So whenever our project will be created, we will see two files here. First one is the main activity.java file where we will write all the logic behind our application. And second one is the activity main.xml file where you can design your application. You have all the components here. You can drag and drop them to design your application. So now to run your Android application, you need an emulator which will run your application. So now we will install a device. So just click on the AVD manager here. Then click on create virtual device. So you can choose the whichever phone you want. We will go with the Pixel 5 phone. Then just click on next. For now, we will download the Pi version. So click on download, accept the term and condition, and then click on next. So it will start downloading the SDK. After finishing, click on finish. So you can see Pi release has been downloaded. So click on Pi and then click on next. So from here you can give name to your AVD. I'll leave it as by default. So just click on finish. So you can see that we have successfully created our AVD. So just close this. So now run your emulator. Now in case if you see this message which says failed to install the following Android SDK packages as some license have not been accepted. So just go to tools. So just go to tools. Then click on SDK manager. Then go to Android SDK and on top select SDK tools and then just click on Android SDK command line tool which is not yet installed. So just click on it and just click on apply, then click on OK. So accept the terms and conditions and then click on next. So it will start downloading it. Click on finish, click on OK. Then again run your emulator. So our emulator has started which will build our application. So as you can see, this is the name of our application, my first app, and this prints the hello world message which is printed here. So in this tutorial, we have learned how to install Java JDK, set environment variable path, install Android Studio, and then create your first application in Android Studio. So if you're facing any issues while installing Android Studio, do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such videos related to programming, subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.